Hello and welcome to Friday Maths. Now, today's maths is from a book that's going to look very familiar to you. You know exactly what you're doing. There's sections A, B and C. Remember, they increase in difficulty. You choose the work that's right for you. Okay, you know what the right level is. There is nothing wrong with you starting on A for a bit of extra practice, then working through and doing A, B, and then even C if you wanted to. You don't have to do all three sections, but just start where you're comfortable and then work up. Don't start too hard because then you'll just struggle. Okay, you've got those three different sections. Now, our learning objective today is this: to solve word problems involving finding fractions of numbers and quantities. And there is an example at the top there as well, which you can look at, but I'm going to do an example with you. So I'm going to look at the first question on section A. So it says, there are 24 footballs. 1/3 need pumping up. How many are ready to use? Now, I do think it's always worth reading them aloud because sometimes that gives you a bit of clarity around what it's asking you to do. I've written on my whiteboard there 24 1/3 because that's like the key information that's coming out of that question for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find 1/3 of 24. To do that, I need to divide 24 by my denominator, which is obviously 3. If you can do that straight away, just write the answer down. That's not an issue. If you're a bit iffy on your times tables, remember you can always write them out on your whiteboard or into your book. It doesn't have to be on a whiteboard, of course. You probably don't have a whiteboard. So I've got to 24 there. So then what I can do is count how many 8s are in how many 3s are in 24. Bit of a spoiler there. So the answer is, of course, 8. However, even though we've done that maths, we haven't finished the question. Let's just read it again. There are 24 footballs. 1/3 need pumping up. That's what we've found. So 8 need pumping up. But how many are ready to use? So to work that out, we need to do 24 subtract 8. I'm not going to give you that answer because then I've just done it for you and I think that you need to do it yourself. Okay, so you can work that out. Now, there's more like that on A. B is very, very similar. It's just slightly more difficult with the numbers and again with C. If you do need any help or want some extra explanations, please do just ask me and Mrs. Carner here to support you. We really do want to help you as much as we possibly can. Okay, so have a go, work through. Remember to actually carefully read the question because you don't want to fall into any tricks. Like with that one, some of you might have just written 8 as the answer, but there's an extra stage to do there. Sorry, that looks a bit like a divide and it's not, it's a subtract. Okay, good luck. I will speak to you soon. Bye.